Welcome to the Root Compass web app. In this short video, we'll get you familiar with what the web app has to offer and how you'll use it as part of the Root Compass leadership experience. Your workshop facilitator will alert you that you'll receive an email from Root Inc. inviting you to join the web app platform. Now, your email will have your company's name on it. For demonstration purposes, this one says Demo. Now, there's a chance that the email may get caught in your spam filter. So if you don't see it right away, please make sure to check there. Once you receive the email, all you need to do is to set your password. So you can go ahead and go in and enter your email address again and go ahead and set up your password. Confirm your password just to make sure you've got it right. Once you set your password, go ahead and go into the app itself. Now, the first time that you open the app, what you'll see is the privacy policy. You can read it and scroll through, and when you're done, click I agree. If you ever want to access the privacy policy again, it's at the bottom of every home page, and you just click on Terms and Privacy, and it will pop up there again for you. So what is the web app exactly? Well, it's your single resource for everything that you'll learn in the workshop. You might even think of it as a virtual textbook. It has a lot of different resources for you. There's a tab for tools and resources. There's a tab for all of the tasks. There's a tab for your commitments. And then the home page, which features the modules themselves. It makes it really easy for you to navigate to what you need and when you need it. So the Root Compass web app is really your single source for all the things you need to do before, during, and after a Compass session. One of the main things you'll want to do before your first session is your pre-work. Now, pre-work doesn't take very long. You can usually plan about 15 to 20 minutes at the most for this. And one of the pro tips we recommend is that you just go ahead and schedule time on your calendar just before your workshop session in order to do your pre-work. And that way it'll get done and it'll be fresh in your mind. So to look for your pre-work from the home page, the best place to go is really the Tasks menu. So go ahead and click on Tasks, and you'll see that this will open up your task list, which is organized by session. And let's start with the first session, the Canyon and Know My Role. To get ready for the first session, your pre-work is here on the left-hand side. These are the 4 things that you need to complete beforehand. On the right-hand side, you'll see there's a variety of different resources that you can continue to use after the session to deepen your knowledge. But back on the left here, where you're looking at the things to complete before the session, you've got 2 videos from our docu-series, which will learn about the Compass characters, and you have 2 other things to complete. And anytime you click on one of them, it will take you directly into that piece of pre-work or resource within the module page, and you can go ahead and click on it and complete it right from there. Going back into your task list, what you'll see is once you have completed something, the task list will check it off for you, and then that way it's easy to keep track of what you've done and what you haven't. Now, most of the pre-work that asks you to enter information in, like this example for how do you spend your time, also will give you a little bit of information on the purpose, how to use the tool, and any specific directions. And if you were to get interrupted as you were doing this pre-work, you can always hit the save button and come back to it later.